All right, time for some snowy Wednesday birthdays, and we are going to begin in Fort Scott with Jonathan Ballou turning 1, and Jonathan loves watching Doug Hetty, and I'm sure he's loving watching Doug Hetty right now. Happy birthday, Jonathan.
All right, Grayson Jennings celebrating 1 year old as well. What a cutie there. Grayson is in Joplin, Missouri.
And we've got Brinley Castle in Chetopa, also known as the Catfish Queen of Chetopa, celebrating birthday number 6. Happy birthday.
What a title there. I like it. Madeline Russell turning 11 years old this year. There she is looking cool. Madeline is up in Fort Scott.
And Chandler Craze celebrating birthday number 14 in Carl Junction today. Happy birthday, Chandler.
All right, Cheyenne Heckert in Frontenac celebrating the big 2-0 this year. Happy birthday, Cheyenne.
And we've got Nathan Watson turning 28 over in Opolis. Happy birthday, Nathan.
All right, Sophia Del Silva celebrating the big 3-0 in Riverton. I got a note here that says twin mom and middle school teacher. She's a twin. She's a mother and a middle school teacher, as I understand, so I guess she shares a birthday too. With love from Timberly and Willow.
I think she's a mom of twins. And I bet Timberly and Willow are the twins.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay, sorry, I didn't decipher the note well.
That's
My bad, Sophia.
That's
okay,
all right.
She's the mother of twins. All right.
And we've got Kobe Pingree celebrating birthday number 34 in Arma with lots of love from your family. Happy birthday, Kobe.
All right, and Brady Green is celebrating birthday number 37 this year in Weir, Kansas with love from your family.
We've got Daphne Price celebrating birthday number 40 in Sarcoxie. Happy birthday, Daphne.
All right, and here we go. These are twins. Yes, Megan Baker and Ann Goody are both celebrating 40 this year. It's a big one in both Oswego and Riverton. Megan's on the left there. She's a teacher at the Oswego Elementary School. And guess what? Ann is a teacher at Riverton High School. We thank you both.
All right, and we've got Tracy Belcher in Girard celebrating a birthday, also a teacher. She's the 5th grade teacher at Haderline in Girard. Happy birthday.
All right, Haderline teacher, all right. And we've also got Garrett Newman on the list celebrating a birthday today.
All right, and to make this list even more spectacular, you need to send us your birthdays. Tanya, where do they need to send them to?
You can send them to either of those emails, birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
All right, and hey, I know a lot of folks are checking out our website to see if school is canceled today, and I'm sure there's a lot of kids out there being disappointed that school is not canceled in some places. But while you're there, take time to sign up for our KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So just sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today at KOAMNewsNow.com.